Welcome to eBaum's Computer Education Training channel. Please subscribe to my channel for training in computer education by clicking the red button below the video description. Thank you for supporting my channel. You can buy my book by clicking the link below the video description to support me. Thanks. Let's start to learn. Parts of the computer. In this post we'll study parts of the computer. Computer has two parts such as hardware and software. There are two types of hardware. 1. Input devices. 2. Output devices. 1. Input devices. The following are input devices which are used in the computer. 1. Hard disk. 2. RAM. 3. Motherboard. 4. DVD-ROM. 5. Power supply. 6. Floppy disk. 7. Keyboard. 8. Mouse. 1. Hard disk. This is the storage material used to store and process data in your computer. Hard disk will act as secondary storage because it is stored data permanently like operating system folders so you can be able to boot your computer. This device is very important. Without computer cannot boot or store data. 2. RAM, random access memory. This also is acting as primary storage of your computer. Without this device also your computer cannot boot or process any data. RAM is very important in your computer because here data will stay for temporary and after computer shutdown if you are not save your data will lose it permanently. 3. Floppy disk. This is also used in your computer to store data, but it has very small storage. So, it is there but today modern computer you cannot use it. 4. DVD-ROM. It is another input devices used in the computer. It is used for burn CD/DVDs and play music, videos. Also, CD/DVDs is used for storage of data. But it is not storing data for long period time. 5. Power supply. This is used in the computer for the purpose of distribute power to the computer devices like motherboard, hard disk and DVD-ROM. Without power supply you cannot turn on your computer. 6. Keyboard. This device is used to input data in your computer when you type in it. It contains number and alphabetic and symbols for the purpose of input data in your PC. This is used when you want to write something in your computer. Without this you cannot input any data or command in your computer. 7. Mouse. This is also another type of input device. It is used to drag the folder, move the folder, click to the folder and so on. It simplifies the use of computer for beginner user. Mouse has 3 buttons. The first button is used for right-clicking, left button used for click and double-click the folder to open it and scroll button is used to scroll down and up in your document. 8. Motherboard. This is device used to process all data which is entered by the user in your computer like writing, program and so on. Motherboard contain processor and RAM which connected to this rectangular board. Motherboard sometimes it is called brain of the computer because all data in your computer process here. In the computer it is look like green board. 2. Output devices. The following are the output devices which used in your computer. 1. Printer. 2. Speaker. 3. Monitor. 4. Modem. 1. Printer. This is device which used to receive data from the computer and process it and print it. Printer is used to print document and other material. 2. Speaker. This is used to process sound coming from your computer, like when you listen music and watching videos and so on. 3. Modem. This is used for internet. All modem must have an ISP, Internet Service Provider, to give you internet services to your computer. So, you can use their device to receive data in your computer. 4. Monitor. This is used to display data from your computer. You cannot type or writing anything without seeing what you type. If there is mistake, you cannot correct it, so monitor is very important in this aspect. So, monitor is very useful for display your data. There are two types of monitors, such as CRT monitor and LCD monitor. CRT monitor is the type of old monitor, but for now they are rarely to find. LCD monitor, they use new technology and are used now widely. 5. Computer case. This is used to put in all devices of the computer, and it contain only fan and power button. You can buy my book by clicking the link below the video description to support me. Thanks. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the red button below the video description.